Good, y'all. So I wasn't gonna do the breakfast video or the food video today because we're gonna do RTV, zip line and all that today. But they have my favorite, not my favorite, what I've been craving. They have some ackee and sawfish right now, fried roast breadfruit. They have the real breakfast, and that's what I'm getting right now. You feel me? I had the brown stew chicken yesterday. Sweet potato, which is my favorite right here. This is what I call sweet potato. Y'all call candy and potato in America and all that stuff. I had the yams in this too. I had that yesterday. I ain't getting that today. Man. Females, if you wanna get y'all pineapple juice for the pum pum. You dig? You dig. That's my breakfast. I ain't eating too much because I got a lot of activities to do today. Just did ADV, that shit was crazy as hell. Won't keep clean. Oh, dead.
Keep the phone and just
Just did the ADV over here, y'all. Everybody on this is dirty, it's crazy. There's a doom bucket over here. That was crazy too. What the hell I got myself into here? I'm ready to jump out this month. Hey then. Good. I'm ready to jump out of this. Are they overflowing there and there? I don't know what I got myself into. What the freak? Oh, I get myself into. Don't let me general. Oh my days. This is so scary. My bit man. Yeah. Wallet. What? Oh, see what? Okay. Oh. So you gotta go back up that way? Right up there. Food done there too. Anyways, yeah, so take your time in there. Step on foot. You have swing, son? Yeah. You have a skate off, right? No. ever skate off of that? No,
No, absolutely not.
They play so this is a 10-foot jump. Who would think of it? Who's going to jump off that? Not me. But we're going to put some life vests on right now. See me? We're going to go. We're going to see what's happening. Dirty water, y'all. That's dirty water. No. So guys, the only reason why I'm finna go in this water is because of y'all, because I don't want to be saying I'm lame. This is the only reason why I'm finna go in the water. Only reason. So mom, I gotta go in the water because of the vlog. If not, I'm not gonna go in there. Mommy, when you record me, I'm going to the water. That's the only reason I'm going there, because I record this right now. So go ahead. But I'm not jumping, I'm walking. Go.
But you kept nice school and do swimming. That would be fun for me. I think the last time we went to YS Falls, we went on there and something like that. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, the YS Falls I went on there. All right, ready? Nasty people. Go. Nasty people. Woo. You can. All right, come on. Come on. Oh! That was it.
Good. Now do that one there. What you say, mommy? She did it? Man, she's still up there. She ain't gonna jump. I don't even know what about to try to find. Oh, smart. I told my mom I'm gonna get smart. Anyways, y'all, that was fun. I had fun doing it. You feel me? Y'all should definitely come and try. But for the other sections of this thing that I went to the Yarman thing, they said we can't bring our phones for the zip line. We can't bring our phones for the dune buggy. So we can't record ourselves. And they charge us $60 for our own photos that we already paid for to come on the trail. That was kind of like crazy to me. That's my opinion though, but yeah, I should definitely try. I recommend it. Because the water is like it's too harsh. They said it's moving too rough or whatever. They don't allow us to do, because they do have zip lines up there, by the way. I'm gonna show you when we go back up. They have zip lines and all that there. But because the water is moving too rough, they don't want us to do zip lines up there, because we're gonna, like, you know, accidentally, water's gonna actually push us down the stream. You know, that's like very, very steep, so it probably do a lot of damage. But other than that, I do recommend y'all try it out. It's very cool. Yeah, I should try it. Definitely try it out. How to go back up this hill? Oh my god! All I know is what's here. my town, you feel me? We're in Brownstown, you feel me? We're going to my country right now. This is my town. Really don't know which fucking but all this looks so big to me. This is hella small. It's like a public gas station name, man. Superior. These names are different. Open 24 hours. Well, yes. None of these things change. Like that was how I was there. This building has been the same thing since I was living here. Haven't been finished or nothing. There's like a barber shop in there and also a game shop. Everything is the same way. Everything's the same way. But pan river was yeah, I know still. Alright, so we're running at the car. Oh, sorry, I got you.
Not now. You can come out the road. Okay, Rick. You're the learn, man. They're going to have a couple more days.
Yeah, alright. Me? I must see blood clot, man. So everybody alright back now? Yes, everybody have a see me. I forgot to change that one day.
You want 5 days? No, Jaden. What kind of what not Jaden? What kind of?
That's my little cousin, man. That boy slick. I left that boy when he was a little baby. Now look at him now, teaching me how to ride a bike. That's crazy. He's teaching me how to ride a bike. And I left him when I was a little baby. Good clap. What's up, y'all? So, I was trying to get some clips of me riding the freaking bike, y'all, but like my cousin was recording the clips for like 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Like, she don't know anything about this YouTube stuff, y'all, but my little cousin, my younger cousin, taught me how to ride a freaking bike. That's crazy, y'all. I had fun doing that. We're gonna head back to the resort right now, you feel me? We're just about my ride. Finally get to go in the ocean and everything, you understand? But I enjoyed the little trip so far. Trying Jamaican KFC. Fire. No, so we alright.
Yeah, man, looking at the bus door. No way, no man.
Oh, yes, we have all that.
Yeah, put your drink in the cup.
If you take the turn over, though.
Put it in the bus door.
Put it in the door right there.
Get it down in there.
Can you put that on the ground?
Alright, everything on.
Ah, that matter, but I'm very back on that.
You get it down in there? Yes,
Put the back, man.
That's the way?
Yeah, man, I'm putting it on. Just drop it on the step.
Ah, that me do, man.
You want a fork for your chicken here then? Remember Aiden came back to chicken here?
And when you do that,
Apparently one of my families own the house, like right on the beach, y'all. I ain't even know that. Next time I come back home, I ain't staying in no resort or no hotels. You feel me? I'm finna stay with a family member. Anyways, y'all, I know for this most of this vlog I haven't really been speaking like standard English, so I know y'all probably understanding what the hell I'm saying for like more than 90% of the time.
Why do you come along with us for the trip?
Pardon me?
Why did you come along with us for the trip?
Why did I? Because I've been back to Jamaica in 5 years, Aiden. But it's like, as I was saying, I've been really speaking standard English for most of the time, so I know y'all like, what is he saying, what he talking about? But I got y'all next time when I'm here by myself and my own timing and my mom's timing, because there's a lot more stuff I wish I could do or be able to do. Shit. Red fruit tree.
Can we go over to the tree?
Hacky tree. The dogs are gonna jump out and get you. Look at him. Ready to bark. You might jump out, you know? What are you barking for? Will? You think you're a bad man? Go ahead. This is the hotel we were staying at, yeah, by the way.
Wait, can I be on the camera?
Man licking on it to fall on and he never start back the vehicle.
Oh.
It looks so fancy.
Man. What's good, y'all? I didn't drop a video yesterday.
We're gonna go to the pool.
Finally. Anyway, so we're back on the resort. I'm so happy I got to see my parents, my grandparents, my family. I'm so happy. Like, look at this, y'all. Oh. Wow. I'm so happy I got to see my grandparents. Let me sit down and talk to y'all for a minute, y'all. Because I was giving a little talk while I was still in the country. But like, I'm gonna give you a talk now. Me coming back, y'all, it really opened my eyes to a lot of stuff, like what I didn't, what I should have, like, you know, been thinking about while I was in America. You feel me? But me coming back here, you know, open my eyes again. So it's like, I gotta be, when I go back, I'm gonna grind even harder. You feel me? Do more. Yes, I'm staying at the resort. Yes, I'm seeing the stuff y'all see on TV and in the papers about Jamaica. But me actually going back to where I grew up. You feel me? Just driving the roads, going in my people's vehicle and my uncle's car just now, like, yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. So it's like that opened my eyes to a lot of stuff like I should be thinking about while living in America, not be stressing about these stupid ass females. Why am I thinking about them? They don't care about me. They don't go through what I went through. They grow up with all the opportunities in there. America's not opportunities. The thing is just like, why am I not taking advantage of the money or focusing on these females and all that stuff like that? No. You feel me? So like, I really appreciate this time to coming back here, and I'm gonna make the best of it, honestly. What's mom? No, I don't know your phone's at. But I'll see y'all. I'm gonna go to the pool. Finally, I'll leave the pool here. We got a pool, we got a beach, we got everything. We got a nude beach over there. We got everything here. I'm just gonna enjoy it for once. You feel me? Go to the bar, them and go everything. I'm just gonna enjoy everything gonna have to offer right now. Right, little man? Right? We're gonna get drunk tonight, get all females back to the house, yeah?
I'm not old enough for him.
I love him so much. Anyways, y'all, I will hate y'all in a minute. Okay. Don't just work, just record. Make sure you made that show.
YouTube.
Start recording?
No, start recording.
Alright, walk to the phone. Come here, come here.
Yeah, this is video material.
Alright, yeah, so I should understand, you know. Y'all know I'm in Jamaica, right? I'm gonna show y'all how we start vehicle in Jamaica. Don't tell nobody the secret, it's a secret, alright? Big gang. First, you wanna come in. Come closer, come closer.
No.
Switch the ignition on, you know? Ignition on, you see? Light up. See that? Now watch us stand up. Big game. Fly the bonnet. Fly the bonnet, you know? Bonnet fly. Watch that.
He didn't get out of the way. He didn't get out of the way.
Now I want to show y'all there's nobody in the vehicle. No one is in there. Show them. Nobody in it. There's no one in there. Right? Yeah, watching? Alright, watch peek game. I can't show y'all what I touch. Just watch me start the vehicle from in here.
Why?
Magic! Nobody! Look! I want y'all look. No one in there. Show them inside. Nobody that in there. Show them. Let me show y'all. Okay, y'all crazy. There's no one in here. Nobody in sight. Oh my God! Yes. Finally finna go in the pool for y'all. Y'all feel me? Watch that man up there, sir. See, nobody want to room up beside them, mommy. They want to room up beside there.
Hey, Terry.
But up this side, I don't want no rooms over that side. But up there, good. Let me have a crown up on me.
Why you stop? You have no determination. Alright.
Hey, Terry, can I go in there now?
Ready? Hey, so it's been a long day. I ain't gonna cap. I think today's one of my most fun days. Well, yesterday and today put together. For one, I got to saw my grandparents. I was crying, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I cried. It's been hella. It's been more than the time since I've been in America, since I seen my grandparents, because I was living in Kingston for a few years before I moved to America. It was hella. But I enjoyed my day today, and I'm lit. I ain't gonna cap. I was talking to this lady. Why all the females I talked to out here married? Like, damn. Am I doing something wrong? Should I be married at this age? I don't know. And they talking back like, girl, you married. Get the fuck on. But it was cool. For let's see what that holds, so stay tuned. You did.